iPhone camera hacks you gotta try. Part 3. iPhone camera hacks you gotta try. Part 3. Let's go. All right, now for the first one, I'm gonna show you a quick shortcut way to take rapid photos on your iPhone. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is just set up your photo. For this, it was a themed Christmas photo shoot. I wanted to capture a very fast moving Oreo dropping into the milk. So what you're gonna do is don't do that. You're gonna press the shutter button and pull it all the way over to the left. It just takes a lot of photos and boom, this is what we came up with. Beautiful. For the next one, I'm going to show you a selfie trick. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down the settings to the camera app and you're going to scroll all the way down to mirror front camera. You're going to click that. And once you do that, you're going to bring out the camera and take a selfie. So here is the side-by-side comparison. Damn, I look good. All right, now number 3 is live text within your phone. So it's something that you just toggle in the settings. So when you take a photo, and you go to that photo in your camera roll, you can copy and paste the words, the letters, the websites that is in the photo itself. So for this, we're gonna go over the notepad just to show you that it works. Click paste and oh, it got all the random matrix letters. That's pretty funny. Now another example is for the website itself. You're gonna click, like you're gonna copy it and click look up and the website pops up below so you can just click it real quick. This is pretty cool. All right, now for this last one, we're gonna do an editing trick. Now it does require that you either have a portrait or you're taking a portrait photo. Now for this, just go to the photo that you want to edit. I'm gonna choose this one right here and click edit on the top. And after that, there's gonna be an f-stop little symbol on the top left-hand corner. So you're gonna click that. You could drag it all the way to the left to significantly blur out the background, or you can drag it all the way to the right and have everything in focus. Now I'm gonna put it all the way to the left because it looks absolutely beautiful and boom, perfect. All right, and that is all I got for today's video. I had an absolute blast filming all of these. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you wanna see more, make sure to like, subscribe. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Peace.